glad you could join me, friends. I've been out here in the shop making some gifts for friends and family. I love making gifts, but it makes me really tired working in the shop. And when I get tired, I like to read a story. And today, I have a story about giving gifts. Let's read it together. We're going to read Thank You, Mr. Panda by Steve Anthony. Let's see, we open it up. What do we see? What are those? Those are presents. They're all wrapped up. Look at this page. We call this the title page. It's got the name of the book and the name of the author. Look at Mr. Panda. Oh. Who are all those presents for? Mr. Panda? His friend is a lemur. Panda says, "My friends." The presents are for his friends. This is for Mouse. Ooh, tiny mouse-sized box. I wonder what's in it. But it's too small. Look, he gave him a sweater, but it's too small. How does Panda feel about that? He wished it was fitting. But it's the thought that counts. The lemur is so positive. He says it's the thought that counts. This is for Octopus. A gift for me, Mr. Panda? Gift is another word for present. But I have 8 legs. Oh no. Look. Let's count. He made him socks. Let's count how many socks he made him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 socks. But he has 7, 8 legs. But it's the thought that counts. The lemur is so positive. Panda went in the ocean to give that present. That's very thoughtful. This is for Elephant. I'll open it later. The elephant doesn't even want to see the gift. He's just going to go on his day. Wow. And this is for Mountain Goat. We're going to go up the mountain. Something for me, Mr. Panda? Bah. Mountain Goat's excited. But it's too long. Look, it's a bow tie, but it's way too big for a mountain goat. Luckily, it's the thought that counts. That lemur is so positive. I want to be as positive as that lemur. Who is the last present for, Mr. Panda? He's got one more present. He says it's for you. Panda got a present for one of his best friends. I wonder what it is. I have no idea. He's so excited. He says, "Thank you, Mr. Panda." He also is excited. I wonder what it is. Let's see. Panda says, "You're welcome, but remember." He's tearing into the present. Let's get there. It's the thought that counts. What? What is that present? Look at this. What did Panda get him? It's underwear. He got him giant underwear with donuts on it. That is so goofy. Can't handle it. And here are all the animal friends with all their gifts. We've got Mouse with a giant sweater. We've got our lemur friend with the giant underwear. We've got the mountain goat with his way too big bow tie. Have you ever seen an animal wearing a bow tie? I haven't. And the elephant finally opened his present. And look what he got. Donuts. Who do you think got the best present? It's the thought that counts, but I really like the donuts. That was Thank You, Mr. Panda by Steve Anthony. It's a good book to read when you're thinking about giving somebody a gift. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you again someday, either in the shop or down at the library. Thanks.